Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best CNC tattoo machine is probably one of the most innovative tools to hit the tattoo industry in recent years. This video will dive deep into the world of CNC tattoo machines, exploring their precision, efficiency, and the stunning artwork they can produce. We'll explore the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks, helping you decide if this cutting-edge technology is right for your tattooing needs. Get ready to witness the future of tattooing. Number 5. Mignongirl Chef Apron, Black, Adjustable. This apron is handcrafted from 100% soft cotton, ensuring no smell and environmental protection. It features exquisite hardware buckles and reinforced pocket corners for durability. It's designed to be stylish and long-lasting. The crossback strap design prevents neck pain, and the cotton strap and waistband are fully adjustable for a comfortable fit. The quick-release hardware buckle makes it easy to take on and off. This apron has multiple large pockets in the front, perfect for storing your phone, pens, and other essentials. It also includes 2 loops on the chest to keep your headphone lines out of the way. This apron is perfect for both professional and personal use. It's great for home, kitchen, restaurants, salons, and more. You can use it for cooking, serving, gardening, or any other task. We offer a 30-day free return and refund policy, along with 24-hour customer support. Get yours today. What we like. This apron is crafted from durable canvas, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of your work. It also features an adjustable strap for a comfortable fit, and multiple pockets to keep your tools within reach. If you are a professional chef or someone who enjoys cooking, this apron is perfect for you. What people say. The material is exactly what I wanted and its pockets are perfectly positioned. Very durable, washes up nice and no wrinkles. It's comfy, easy to get on and off quickly, sturdy material but lightweight. And it looks badass to boot. Who knew? Number 4. Phomemo M08F Wireless Thermal Tattoo Printer. This is the Phomemo M08F, a portable tattoo stencil printer. It utilizes advanced thermal technology for high-definition, precise patterns. No ink is required, eliminating the hassle of clogs and cleaning. The M08F is compatible with smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktops. It supports Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS. This makes it easier than ever for tattoo artists to design and print. With the Phomemo app, you can easily print images and documents with one click. The app also provides a variety of tattoo patterns. For the best results, use Phomemo Tattoo Transfer Paper. This printer is compact and versatile, weighing only 2 pounds. It's 60% smaller than traditional printers. It also has a wireless design, connecting to your phone via Bluetooth. The M08F has a built-in rechargeable 1200 mAh battery. A single charge supports up to 140 pages. It also comes with 10 sheets of transfer tattoo paper, ready for use. What we like. This printer uses thermal technology, eliminating the need for ink and the mess that comes with it. It's compatible with various devices and is incredibly portable. If you're a tattoo artist who values convenience and precision, this is the ideal choice for creating stencils on the go. What people say. The app is simple to navigate and we had no connection issues, a full charge lasted weeks with occasional use. The stencils came out beautifully. Even lighter, more finer lines showed up on the transfer. Print stencil perfect, very easy to set up and it seems to be very durable, even comes with a case. It functions great and definitely worth the money. Number 3. Ambition Soldier Rotary Tattoo Pen. This is the Ambition Soldier Rotary Battery Pen, designed for both professionals and beginners. It's a high-quality tattoo machine that delivers exceptional performance. Made from aluminum alloy, this pen is well balanced and comfortable to hold. It's 148 mm long, with a 32 mm grip diameter, and weighs 210 g. You'll find it easy to handle for extended tattoo sessions. The pen features a custom coreless motor, running at 9,000 revolutions per minute. This ensures powerful and efficient performance with minimal skin loss. It allows for fast coloring without overheating. The 2400 mAh battery provides long-term use, with a stable output. At 8V, it can operate for up to 10 hours and fully charges in just 2 to 3 hours. The battery can be recharged at any time. This pen is compatible with all cartridge needle types. The direct drive system makes it stronger and better for both lining and shading. It's a versatile tool for any tattoo artist. The package includes the Ambition Rotary Battery Tattoo Pen, an extra 4.0mm stroke cam, an RCA adapter, a USB fast charging cable, and a box. Everything you need to get started. What we like. This tattoo machine features a powerful coreless motor for efficient and consistent performance. It also boasts a long-lasting battery, allowing for extended use. If you are a professional tattoo artist looking for a reliable and versatile machine, it will be a great choice. What people say. The Ambition Soldier feels great. The weight doesn't add fatigue and the battery life lasts longer than even what the company advertises. I also love that it has a timer on it so I can show my clients the exact time their tattoo took. Number 2. Mast Fold Pro Wireless Tattoo Pen Machine. This wireless pen machine offers 7 stroke length options, ranging from 2.4mm to 4.2mm. You can easily adjust the stroke on the fly, making it suitable for various tattooing styles. Designed for experts, this cordless tattoo pen excels in lining, shading, and blending. It provides the freedom of cordless operation, perfect for professional use. Powered by the Mignongirl C2 motor, this machine delivers exceptional power and durability. It glides smoothly through any skin type, ensuring a good balance between lines and shading. The advanced direct drive system ensures smooth, precise, and quiet operation. It gently transfers ink to the skin, providing a stable voltage and low noise for a satisfying experience. Tested by studio experts and trusted by over 2 million customers worldwide, this machine is guaranteed to meet your expectations. What we like. This wireless pen machine offers 7 stroke length options, allowing you to easily switch between different tattooing styles. The powerful motor ensures smooth and consistent performance. If you like versatility and precision, this machine is designed for you. What people say. The adjustable stroke lengths make it versatile for lining, shading, and color work, and it feels smooth and consistent during use. The wireless feature makes it super convenient, no more dealing with cables while tattooing. The machine runs smoothly and quietly, with consistent power output. The adjustable stroke length is a big plus, allowing me to switch easily between lining and shading. Number 1. Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Pen Kit. Introducing the Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Kit. This complete kit has everything you need to get started, including a tattoo pen machine and extra battery. It's designed for professional tattoo artists. The kit includes the tattoo pen, an extra battery, RCA cord, power cable, RCA adapter, and 80 cartridge needles. You'll also find a pen holder, bandages, a stroke cam, and a carrying case. It's a comprehensive set. The kit comes with 80 premium Ambition tattoo cartridge needles. They are made of medical-grade stainless steel and individually packaged for safety. Each needle is rigorously tested to ensure quality and prevent ink leakage. The tattoo pen machine is made of aluminum alloy and CNC carved for durability. It's 148 mm long and weighs 210 g. The design allows for easy disassembly, maintenance, and part replacement. The machine features a custom coreless motor that runs at 9,000 revolutions per minute. This provides more power, reduces skin loss, and allows for fast coloring. The direct drive system makes it great for both lining and shading. The kit includes a 2,400 mAh battery that can support long tattoo sessions. It provides a stable output and can last up to 10 hours on a single charge. The battery fully charges in just 2 to 3 hours and is easily replaceable. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need to get started, including an extra battery and a variety of needles. The machine itself is built with a powerful motor for efficient and consistent performance. If you are a professional tattoo artist, this kit provides everything you need to create stunning tattoos. What people say. It works like a dream, is of great quality and durable too. The batteries just keep going and going, it comes with a bunch of needles and almost everything you'd need. This machine certainly does the job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.